Lysergic acid diethylamide, or LSD, is a psychedelic drug that causes hallucinations and a blend of consciousness in the brain. It commonly comes in the form of blotters, which are small squares placed on the tongue. It is also used in the form of pills. LSD is derived from a fungus called ergot that can be found growing on rye. At the time of its discovery, it was originally thought that it would be used as a respiratory and circulatory stimulant. During the mid-1950s, the United States became interested in the clinical potential LSD had for psychiatric treatments. It was given to hundreds of painters, writers, composers, and failed alcoholics who reported positive mind-expanding effects and a 50% cure rate for alcoholism. In a normal neuron, serotonin and dopamine are key neurotransmitters. Serotonin is responsible for regulating moods, appetite, sexuality, sleep, and sensory perception. At chemical synapses, serotonin binds to the correct receptors and sends the appropriate signal. However, LSD only stimulates serotonin in the brain regions of the prefrontal cortex that are responsible for inhibiting, constraining consciousness. This causes a birth to a free flow of thought and an altered perception of the world. While on LSD, the body experiences several physical changes such as dilated pupils, increased heart rate and blood pressure, trembling, uncontrollable shaking, sweating, sleeplessness, and loss of appetite. Another short-term effect is the possibility of having what's known as a bad trip, an experience reported as feelings of panic, confusion, sadness, and scary images. After using LSD, many people report life-altering effects and recurring hallucinations. It has been stated before that LSD remains in the body forever, in minuscule amounts in the brain or spinal fluid, but there's no evidence to support this claim. People who believe in it, however, say that the brain holds and may release molecules of LSD over time, and this is what causes flashbacks. Because of these dangerous side effects and the fact that LSD causes a lack of ability to make decisions and control impulses, the drug has been banned since the 60s. However, it is still used intermittently among adolescents and young adults.